Right there.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. A little more forward or a little more to the back?
Roll back. Yeah.
Right about there?
Yeah.
Okay. Down towards the feet or up towards the head?
Like I can feel it towards the feet.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah.
There we go.
I think my neck just grew an inch. But I
Right?
already have a long neck. So now it's longer.
The client comes in, very common. They know that the session is going to be about 3 hours. Sometimes it'll be 3.5. When the session is done, how do they feel?
Dizzy.
Yes.
Hi.
You scrape them off the mat, they can't drive. Okay, let me get you a Topo Chico. How do they feel about the extra 30 minutes when they realize what time it is?
Oh, happy.
Yeah. And that's the thing, it doesn't matter. To me, in private practice, the extra 30 minutes doesn't mean anything. I'm only seeing 2 clients that day anyway. I structured it that way for a reason. Okay, I'm gonna back off slowly. Give you just a second. How we doing, guys?
Amazing.
Not too much? Pressure's good? The receivers, feel free to give them feedback. If you want them more forward, more back, more elbow, more pointy.
Right now, I'm a big fan of the sideline.
Once you use it, I think you'll integrate it really rapidly, and then you'll go, oh, dude, that's, yeah. Upper back and neck pain in particular, super easy this way. Super easy. How much work is this compared to what you're normally doing? Look, see?
It's nothing.
Exactly. This is what built my practice, working in a chiropractor's office. The people would rave. All of the other therapists and the chiropractor would refer people to me that were hard to work on, the people who were problem clients who had pain. They were like, we don't even know what Robert does, just go see him. And I would do this until I got on a mat and then continued that process. The chiropractor would work on big burly guys and go, whoa, they're so much easier to adjust after you work on them. The muscles were relaxed, right? They weren't guarded. Little, chiropractor trying to like compress his own carpals, trying to work on people.